Imagine waking up and realizing your savings have an expiration date. In 2026, money is no longer just a store of value. It's becoming programmable. Central banks are rolling out digital currencies that don't just sit in your account. They think. They know what you eat, where you travel, and they can be programmed to disappear if you don't spend them exactly how the government wants. A central bank digital currency, or CBDC, isn't Bitcoin. It's the opposite. While Bitcoin is decentralized, a CBDC is the ultimate tool for central control. Because the money is pure code, the bank can program it. They can lower interest rates to negative levels instantly, forcing you to spend to avoid losing money. It's an AI-managed economy where your behavior dictates your balance. This is the nudge economy. In trial runs in China and parts of Europe, programmable money has been used to restrict purchases based on social credit or carbon footprints. Want to buy that third flight this year? Your money might simply turn off for airline websites. It's the end of financial freedom and the beginning of financial guidance. The argument for this shift is security. No more money laundering, no more tax evasion, no more drug funding. Every single cent is traced by AI from birth to death. But in a world where every transaction is recorded, privacy becomes a luxury only the elite can afford. If the government doesn't like who you're donating to, they don't have to arrest you. They just have to delete your ability to pay for bread. The transition is happening right now. Within the next 24 months, the way you spend, save, and think about money will change forever. Will you accept this smart dollar? Or will you find another way? This is AI Simplified. Subscribe to stay ahead of the system.